JBL fans, the wait is over. A brand new portable Bluetooth speaker, not a refresh, not an update, but a completely new design, is finally going global. Meet the JBL Grip, built tough for the outdoors and loaded with features that go beyond just music. The JBL Grip is rugged to the core. With an IP68 rating, it's fully dust-proof and can survive being underwater for up to 30 minutes at 1.5 meters. And if you drop it, no worries, it can handle a 1 meter fall without a scratch. This is a speaker that's made for camping trips, beach days, and adventures on the go. Inside, it packs a 16-watt full-range track-style driver delivering clear sound and punchy bass across a 70 Hz to 20 kHz range. Thanks to AI Sound Boost, it analyzes your music in real time for a bigger, distortion-free sound. Plus, you can pair multiple Grip speakers together for an even wider soundstage. With Bluetooth 5.4, the Grip offers fast pairing and low latency, perfect for movies or gaming, and on a single charge, you'll get up to 12 hours of playtime. Recharging takes just 3 hours, keeping you ready for your next adventure. But this speaker doesn't just sound good, it looks good too. The RGB ambient lighting system offers for colors with multiple modes like breathing and rhythm-based effects. Using the JBL Portable app, you can even customize brightness and color temperature to match your vibe. The JBL Grip launches globally on September 28, 2025, priced at just $99.95 in the US, and will be available in multiple colors. So is this rugged RGB-packed speaker going to be your next travel buddy? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cool tech updates. Thanks for watching, peace out.